Eid Mubarak to all of my friends and followers to this YouTube channel and also Facebook page. Today is a Eid day and we have come to our nearest field. This is one of the place and safe and beautiful green place. And beside me my uncle Rahat Hussain Bappi. He also come in this video and we'll talk about how are you celebrating your Eid day. And we are celebrating our Eid day through a good way and fantastic, and we have done a lot of things already and a lot of things are already left to do. First of all, we want to recommend notice something that I got up today early for preparing myself for Eid-ul-Fitr prayer, and before going to the Eid field I went to play football with my younger and senior brothers, and there I spent around 2 or 3 hours for playing football. For this reason, it was late for me to reach the Eid Maidan, and for this reason I also some struck, but I had to do or work first to prepare myself for Eid-ul-Fitr prayer. By the way, after doing some first rapid works and finally I got ready and went to the Eid Maidan and I prayed together with all classes of Muslims in our union. And then after coming from there, I gave some salami to my younger cousins and also take some salami for my senior brother. And it's also super and absolutely beautiful for my life. And I also come here to celebrating something more. And after coming to the house, I took some delicious foods like kachi, this type of, and I like most of the things, Mr. Noodles, and also 2 plates of I ate up Mr. Noodles and then take a rest. And after a while, I decided to come here and to say something about Eid-ul-Fitr. And I have come with my uncle and he is beside me. But I have some plan for today. I want to know something from you. What is your plan for today? What is doing something more? And I have a plan. I would like to go somewhere. If I get chance, I will go somewhere nearest my union or beside my union to enjoy and to pass some awesome day with others person. And this is my plan for today's Eid-ul-Fitr. And also continuously I will make video and upload video and help you to understand and help you to learn different things in any kind of situation. It can be harmful, it can be sadness, it can be happiness places, whatever it can you in your life. By the way, this is my Eid celebrating plan. I have already done 30%, 70% are remain for me for today. What is your Eid celebrating and what is your plan for today's Eid-ul-Fitr? Of course, comment in comment box. I will come back to next video and know or read every comment of you. Write your comment as soon as possible and how is you celebrating your Eid day. Goodbye for now.